How do you get a potential client responding to you after you send your architectural visualization portfolio? The problem is this portfolio, the group of images that you put together in a PDF file or on your website as a gallery, it is designed just to showcase your work. It is not designed to sell it. It is not designed to motivate someone to contact you now. And showcasing only in 2026 and beyond definitely is not enough. You need something more because an architect does not really read images in the same way an artist does. The same thing for developers. They do not read your work in the same way an interior designer does, which means your portfolio should be structured and put together in the way of how they understand your service and how they are going to respond to your portfolio, not in the way how you would like to present it. If you agree with this, then keep listening. Now, I know you might say, Anis, I can get a template from somewhere and this will work. Everyone is doing this. Let's do it. I agree. Okay, everyone is doing it, but however, it is not the right thing. Why? Because that template was done by someone because it has worked for them at that time for that purpose. This does not mean it will work for you. Someone could start a portfolio with a story, someone else with a process, someone else with a proof. Business impact, the type of clients you work with, it depends on your unique situation. It depends on your business. That's why I made a 5-day workshop. Each day we go through the portfolio elements so that on Friday at the end of the week, you get a ready to print portfolio PDF file. I guarantee you, if you put it on your website, it will do you more favor than your recent website. And if you hand it over to someone in printed form, it will get you clients quicker than you can imagine. Is it for everyone? Definitely no. Any studio that has more than 5 people, it is not for them. It is only for solo and small studios, up to 5 people. Why? Because the scale of their work could be managed within 5 days. Anyone who has more than 5 people, they do need to have the coaching. If you are interested to know more about this and join us, click on the link